Is corporate fundraising a good strategy for your organization? I get asked this all the time. Not that long ago, I worked with an organization that is focused on employment for new Canadians in a specific neighborhood. And they asked, is corporate fundraising for us? What would it take for us to get corporate money? Of course, the answer was more complicated than I'm going to get into now. But I will start with saying that they did have to ask themselves some very specific questions that can apply to most of you. First of all, what do they have to offer a company from the company's point of view? So this is not about asking what is our mission or how awesome an organization are we. These are both definitely true in this case, and I'm sure in yours as well. But more about how do we align with the business objectives of the company, what audience can we provide for the company, what message, impact, these sorts of things from the point of view of the company. And then how are we different? Again, at that big level, from the point of view of a company. Companies see most employment organizations, charities, the same. They may also see most charities that are in that particular neighborhood dealing with low-income Canadians as the same. Or perhaps they're seeing you the same, in this case, as all the charities that help out new Canadians. Usually, their views are broader than the specific model that you're using. So you do need to be thinking, how are you really truly going to differentiate yourself in line with what is the bigger picture of your organization? And once you've done have those two answers, the next thing you need to ask, what are you willing to give to the company? What is the benefit, the recognition, the support, the employee volunteerism? What are the things that you see as things you can make available as benefits for their relationship with you? This is the place to start when you're thinking about, is corporate fundraising for you? If you want to learn more about corporate fundraising from that point of view of a board director and what you really need to understand when you're thinking about whether it's for your organization, I'm doing a workshop and have written a great ebook that has assessments, board roles and responsibilities, and a high-level work plan for you. These tools, along with this workshop, will be your fastest, most efficient way of really getting a handle on corporate fundraising for your organization. I hope you sign up and join me.